Gardener with Adventures. Lovely day out in the ocean again, in Mossel Bay, going around the point area. Quite a lot of boats on the water that I can see in the distance. Flat waters, calm waters, so let's see what we can get this morning. Hopefully we can show you something nice, and so enjoy the program. Guys, first one on for the morning. First one on. Let me know and look it. Yes, it's on. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't feel too big, but it's one on. Quite a lot of them in the water, setting up sonar, so quite a lot of it. Oh, that's the first one, small little one. It's not too bad, better than the other day. But yeah, first one for the morning. First one for the morning. Right, let's see if we can get it off. Nice one. Hey, there we go. Only on. Just hooked it. One off, I don't know where it's off or not. Still there. And now it will give a fight. Still on, that's not a big one. Small one. Not a very big one. Not very big, but yeah, basically the same as the other day. Smaller than the one I caught earlier. The one I caught earlier was quite nice size. This one is a bit smaller, but yes, fish on. Here you can see it, small little Bonito. Okay, let's let it go. Okay, let's try for another one. Let's try another one. One on again. Shallow water, but we've got one now. So yes, let's see if we can bring it in. Very shallow, close to shore. Nice pull. Very nice pull. See there. Very close to shore. Just behind the breakers here. I need to get this one out rather quickly before, oh yeah, nice fight. Very close to the shore. I need to get this one out as soon as possible. This one feels better, nicer size. Giving up a good fight, very good fight. Okay, nice fight again. Doesn't want to let go. Let's see if we can get it out. This is looks like a little bit better size. Better size. Okay. Let's see if we can get it out. Definitely nicer size, this one. Very nice size. Better looking. Third one for me for the morning, except for those that I lost. This is the third one for the morning. And, let's get it off and let's get out here. See, these table hooks, they really hook a fish very well. sometimes too well. Okay, I need to get this one out and we can release it. Just need to get out of this spot here. Okay, let me show you. See there. Opsa, opsa, opsa. Nice little bonnie. About 40 centimeters. Nice one. Let's let it go. Yeah, just to my right. At 1 o'clock. So I can see right. You saw that. Just in front of us here. Not sure where they went to now. Oh, right in front of us again at 1 o'clock. Looks like 2 or 3. Right underneath me. I saw them right underneath me. I just went through. It's my back. This should be at my back now. They're right on my 3 o'clock. Oh, incredible to see them so close. Very nice shot. Unfortunately not maybe on the camera, but I can see them. Turning again. They were just here on my right hand side. See if we get another shot. Yeah, there it goes. And we saw it. Right in front here. Hi everyone, that concludes our day of fishing here in Mossel Bay. Didn't get a lot, but yeah, at least we got something. Wind is starting to pick up a little bit, but we're really off now. So first day of the Transagalas today, the top here at Sunday Beach. In the distance you can see all the gazebos and bread off and stuff. So the Transagalas coming in not long from now. So it's better that we also get off the water. But yeah, nice day out at sea. We've got a few Bonitos and always nice to go get some. So see you next time everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.